I did not see growth like I'm seeing growth now. My hair grows so fast, and that is a goal of mine, to grow my hair as long as it can be. And with this routine, I have been able to reach hair length goals. Hey friend, welcome to today's video. It's going to be fun because we're going to go over all of the benefits of being a straight hair natural, because of course that's what I am and I love it here. So let's get into the video. Alright, so I have a list of natural benefits of having straight hair, and we're just going to go over them, and I'm going to have my commentary on them and tell you what I feel about these facts being a straight hair natural. Alright, so let's get into it. The first one says low maintenance. Straight hair generally requires less effort to style and manage. It often stays smooth, tangle-free without much product or upkeep. That is the number well, I was getting ready to say number one, but that is one of the main reasons why I love having straight natural hair. The low maintenance. I literally can put my hair in a heatless curl set, something like this. I just got this one. This one's the extra long one because my hair is growing. We're going to get into that, but I can do that. That's how I get these waves, and then wake up in the morning, take it out, and there you go. Like, I don't have to worry about doing any of all the other things that I used to do, but just do not have the desire to do now. So I love the low maintenance of straight natural hair. I don't have to worry about my hair being frizzy and having to tame it. I really don't have to worry about much of anything every day. I can just get up, put my hair in a ponytail, wear it in curls that I did the night before, or just wear it straight. It's so, I love that. Yeah, I totally agree with that fact. Let's move to the next one. Natural shine. Yes. Yes, and yes. The natural shine that my hair has since being a straight hair natural is amazing. This is my hair. As you can see the shine. I mean, the shine is definitely there. The smooth surface of straight hair reflects more light, giving it a naturally glossy and healthy appearance. I did not know that it reflects more light. But I totally believe that, because that is exactly what my hair does now. I feel like it is always shiny. I do not put any products in my hair in between washes. So if you're new here, I wash, condition, blow dry, and straighten my hair every 2 weeks. And this is the shine that it gets and maintains until my next wash day. And I used to get the question, how do you keep your hair moisturized in between? My natural oil keeps the shine. I don't have to put any moisturizers, any oils. In the past, I've experimented with using different oils in my hair, and if I feel like doing that, I will, but I don't have to. This right now is with no oil, no anything. I washed it about a week ago, and this is still the shine that it has. So I love that. The next fact says easier to grow long. I agree with that. I've been natural for 10 years this year, which is so exciting, but I wore my hair in twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, things like that for 5 of those 10 years. And while I did see a lot of growth, I did not see growth like I'm seeing growth now. My hair grows so fast, and that is a goal of mine, to grow my hair as long as it can be. And with this routine, I have been able to reach hair length goals. And I'm just so excited. Like, my hair is really, really growing so fast. Like, it's just really growing fast. And if you've been following my journey, you can probably tell through the videos how my hair has grown even from last year. I'm telling you, doing this method just made my hair grow at a super speedy rate. Does that make sense? Super speed? Yeah, okay. Let's go to the next one. Less prone to frizz. Straight hair is usually less affected by humidity and doesn't frizz as easily as curly or wavy textures. Alright, so where I live, there is not a lot of humidity. And with natural hair, you already know it's going to frizz if there is water in the air, a lot of humidity. If you are sweating, if you're in a hot climate, my hair will frizz. Like the other day, I was out of town and it started raining, and I was like, I'm just gonna run to the car, because for some reason I felt like my hair, since it's been straight for so long and since it hasn't really frizzed that much, I don't know if I thought my hair was unfrizzable. I didn't think that, but I think I thought that, if that makes any kind of sense. Well, anyway, yeah, it frizzed, and this side of my hair was a puff and this side was straight. So my hair definitely will revert depending on the humidity, the amount of water, and the amount of sweat. All of that. All of that plays a factor in natural hair. But I will say with me straightening my hair that it does not frizz up as much as I thought it would. And I'm just really grateful for that. Now, there's a lot that comes into that. I believe, like I said, your environment, your genetics, your wash day practices, like how well you do your routine, how straight you get your hair, all that plays a factor. But for me, my hair stays straight like this 99.9% of the time. So I love that. Straight hair often requires fewer styling products like gels or creams. We just said that, and that is so true. I literally don't have to use any products. I don't. And that is something that I used to use a lot of. Like, my closet was full of the newest products, every product that somebody recommended, me just wanting to try products because that's just something that I used to love to do with my hair, just to see what my hair liked and all of that. That's no longer the phase of life that I'm in or ever probably will be back into. But I just love that. Not saying that there's anything wrong with anybody that likes to try all those things because, like I said, I was in that phase of life at one point in time, and everybody's different. So, just putting that out there, I like to express, even in this video, I'm expressing to you what I enjoy about me personally being a straight hair natural. Not saying that you have to do it, but I do definitely recommend being a straight hair natural if you are thinking about getting a perm or returning back to a perm. Now, in that case, I stress please try being a straight hair natural because my hair stays straighter now than it ever did with a perm for longer. And my scalp, my hair strands, everything about my hair is so much healthier than when I had a relaxer. It's just so much better in the long run. Yes, I use heat, but I've learned that heat is good for my hair. My hair likes heat as long as I use it in the right way. Don't overdo it. It's best for me just to use heat when I do my wash day and that day only and not throughout the week. Every time that I've tried to like touch up my hair or, see something out of place and fix it and it wasn't on a wash day, I feel like it's damaging. So every day, don't do that. But I do use heat and my hair is thriving and growing exponentially. Ooh, yeah. Okay, the next fact is Tanglefree. Straight hair doesn't tangle as easily as curly or wavy hair, making it easier to comb and brush through. Another thing, I feel like that goes along with the low maintenance aspect of things. I don't really want to spend a lot of time detangling my hair. And for my personal experience, when I wash my hair and put the conditioner through it, it's so like smooth. I don't have to worry about knots. I don't have to worry about tangles. That's just true. I feel like with my hair being straight, a lot of that work that I used to put into my hair, I just don't have to do anymore. And here's the last fact, balanced distribution of oils. The natural oils produced by the scalp can easily travel down the hair, helping it to keep it well moisturized. This fact I did not know. I always knew that my natural oil took over because I could see how shiny my hair was, and I knew I didn't put any product in it, any moisturizing creams, no oils or anything like that. And I would see that my hair remained shiny, and this is why it says that it's easier to travel down the hair shaft when your hair is straight. So I'm learning with you. I just know that being a straight hair natural is one of the best decisions that I have ever made. It is so good for my lifestyle because I am a busy mom. I go a lot. So I personally love being a straight hair natural for all of those things. Those facts are like, yes, that is exactly why I love being a straight hair natural. So if you are considering it, you're not going to hear anything but good things from me over here because I love it. Before we go, just a little hair update. So my hair is growing. Let me back up. Sitting in this chair, I'm going to back up for you and just to see this is where it is. And I'm going to get my mirror so I can really show you the back and know that I'm in the frame. And all right, so this is the back. And yeah, that wraps up today's video. I hope it helped you if you're considering being a straight hair natural or you're just curious on different ways to do your hair. So I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, if this helped you, give me a like. And also, if you have any questions for me, leave them down in the comments and I will try my best to answer. I'm learning every day. I'm still learning my hair every day, so I will try to the best of my ability to answer those for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, friend!